Did you know most of your product's manufacturing cost is locked in before any tooling is cut? The biggest risk for first-time inventors is late change. Cost rises fast with every stage you pass. A tweak at concept is cheap. The same tweak after CAD hurts. After tooling, it burns weeks in budget. Most derailments come from handoffs and redesign loops, not from lack of creativity. Here is the reality. Successful launches move through research and ideation, then design and prototype, then sourcing and manufacturing, then branding and marketing. When industrial design and mechanical engineering run together, you avoid the beautiful concept that cannot be built. Match each prototype to the question. Print for form and fit. Machine when material behavior matters. Use soft tooling when you need production, like parts without full tooling. Run design reviews at clear gates with manufacturing in the room. Use simulation on critical parts to catch stress and heat issues early. That is risk mitigation where it is cheapest. This is exactly how Rabbit product design works. We are an end-to-end team for inventors, entrepreneurs, and small founders. 9 years in business, over 2,000 products touched. Senior engineers on every project with an average of 27 years of experience. Patent research and freedom to operate up front. Industrial and mechanical run in parallel with electronics, firmware, and apps when needed. Prototyping from printing to machining to soft tooling. Sourcing, tooling, factory management, shipping, branding, and go-to-market all under one roof. No junior tier. DFM and risk mitigation are baked in from day one. That is how time to market is cut and rework avoided. Get the early decisions right, validate with the right prototypes, and protect production with DFM and reviews. That is the straight path from sketch to shelf. If I were in your position, I would start with patent research and opportunity validation, run industrial and mechanical together, and never ask one prototype to answer every question. If you keep stacking vendors and saving DFM for the end, you will pay for it at tooling and in delays. To move from concept to a launched product with one coordinated team, contact Rabbit Product Design. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below to get your free strategy session. And remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.